you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, a biggest question which I am receiving nowadays, that will AI will convert or will replace the jobs in Germany? A biggest question, and in this video we're gonna answer you in detail whether it is possible, how much possibility is this, like what are the cons and pros. Everything in this video. I hope you're gonna love this. In case you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up class and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
Will AI replace jobs in Germany? With tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot becoming more powerful, many people are worried about their future. Some students even ask me whether it's still worth learning German or moving to Germany. Questions like, will AI take my job? Should I still study engineering or IT? Which careers are safe in the future? These are all valid questions, but the reality is much more interesting than simply saying AI will replace everyone. Is AI replacing jobs? Let's begin with the biggest question. The answer is yes, but not in the way many people imagine. AI is changing the way people work more than it is eliminating jobs completely. Think about history. When calculators were invented, accountants didn't disappear. When computers became common, engineers didn't lose their jobs. Instead, these professionals became more productive because they started using better tools. AI is simply the next powerful tool. People who learn to work with AI will often have an advantage over those who ignore it. Which jobs are most affected? Now let's look at the jobs that are changing the fastest. AI performs very well when work is repetitive and follows clear rules. For example, basic data entry, simple customer support, routine bookkeeping, repetitive administrative work, or basic content writing. These tasks can now be completed much faster with AI assistance. However, this doesn't always mean people lose their jobs. Instead, many companies expect employees to use AI so they can spend more time on creative thinking, solving problems, and interacting with customers. The nature of these jobs are evolving. Which jobs are safer? So, which careers are less likely to be replaced? Generally, jobs that require human interaction, practical skills, responsibility, and complex decision making remains much safer. Think about nurses, doctors, teachers, electricians, plumbers, civil engineers, mechanical engineers, scientists, researchers, and project managers. These professions involve situations where empathy, experience, communication, and judgment are essential. AI can assist these professionals, but it cannot completely replace them. People still trust people, especially in important situations. Is it still a good career? One question I hear all the time is, if AI can read code, is programming finished? The answer is no. AI is becoming an excellent assistant for software developers. It can generate code, detect bugs, explain programming concepts, and automate repetitive coding tasks. But companies still need skilled developers who understand customer requirements, design software systems, solve business problems, and review AI generated code. AI doesn't understand the full business context the way humans do. So, the role of software developers is changing, but it's certainly not disappearing. Germany needs skilled workers. Now let's focus specially on Germany. Germany has been facing a shortage of skilled workers for many years. This demand continues in sectors like healthcare, engineering, manufacturing, renewable energy, logistics, constructions, and skilled traders. Even with advanced AI systems, hospitals still need nurses. Construction companies still need engineers and technicians. Factories still need skilled workers. AI can improve productivity, but it cannot completely solve the shortage of qualified professionals. This is one of the reasons Germany continues to welcome international talents. What skills will be most valuable? In the future, technical knowledge alone may not be enough. Companies are increasingly looking for people who can solve problems, think critically, communicate clearly, work well in teams, and adapt to new technologies. Continuous learning has become one of the most valuable skills. The people who succeed won't necessarily be those who know the most today. They'll be the one who keep learning throughout their careers. That's probably the biggest lesson of the AI era. Should students learn AI? My answer is simple, absolutely. No matter whether you are studying engineering, business, healthcare, design, or languages, learning how to use AI responsibly is becoming an important skill. Students can use AI to brainstorm ideas, practice languages, summarize notes, learn programming, prepare presentations, or understand difficult concepts. But here's something very important: AI should help you learn. It should never replace your own thinking. If you depend entirely on AI, you may pass assignments, but you won't develop real skills. Will German language still matters? Finally, let's answer another common question. If AI can translate everything, do I still need to learn German? In my opinion, yes. Language is much more than translation. Companies value employees who can communicate naturally with clients, participate confidently in meetings, understand workplace culture, and build relationships with colleagues. AI can translate sentences, but it cannot replace trust, culture understanding, or genuine human communication. Learning German is not just about speaking another language, it's about creating more opportunities and integrating successfully into German society and the workplace.
So guys, I hope now you are having a very clear picture of whether AI can replace yes or no German jobs. I hope you are having a very clear picture. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.